Hey friends, y'all, I have been waiting for this box since Friday. I need y'all to help me pick the next project. I hope y'all are doing awesome. I'll be on later tonight with a project, but I was going to open the box with y'all because I'm like looking out I've been looking out at for the Postman, FedEx, UPS, all of those, because actually I had 3 boxes delivered today. One was from 4/22, then 4/29, and then 5/1. So, hey, I see you guys. Oh my goodness, I don't see any comments yet. Let's get this box open. And this is the one from 5/1. Hey, Janet. Okay. This is the one look, y'all know I'm excited about all of them, but I'm really excited about this summer box. I'm so crazy. Anyway. Oh my gosh, y'all, the everyday tote is nice and thick. It looks awesome. Let me take it out so y'all can see. And hey, come this way, Locke. I picked Locke up at school. Oh, y'all are gonna love these. They are nice and thick. Anyway, I think we went to Dollar Tree, and oh, I can't wait to show y'all the plates. And I think the last time I looked, the notebooks are sold out, but I will double check that. Anyway, let's get this out of the way. Oh my goodness, and the Ever After ink. I don't know if y'all seen this. It's so pretty. This is ink. Not right now. We can't, Locks want to watch something on TV, but you can't have like a sound in the background or we'll get in trouble. If you close that door, you can. And don't have it loud. We don't want to get in trouble. Oh, y'all, I'm so excited about these. Huh?
I need a seat.
These are the patches that you can glue on or sew on. And they are like a cotton. They're off-white. They would be perfect. They're not the iron-on, but I think you could probably use like that iron-on stuff and iron them on. Whatever it's called. Oh, Patty, yes, that ink is so pretty. And this reminds me of like the shirts like bowling shirts, gas station. So stinking cute. I love having these, and which you could totally ink this or paste it and put it on a project, put it on like fabric. Linda, I need you to come get this tooth out for Locke. We're just not getting that tooth out. And then, if y'all want the links for all the new stuff, you can type the word made. This is bookmarks. And we've got the 2 different kinds of resin. So you could totally make bookmarks, make them for gifts. And what's so crazy is, not too long ago, Jenny was wanting to cut some wood cutouts for bookmarks. And I was like, I don't know. But I'm like, I think that's a great idea. And we've had these. These are our square white pillowcases. Have you used the resin? Casey, I have used the resin, but I don't have a dog. So, I had a dog for many years.
But it passed away.
Yes. Thank you, Bob. Oh my gosh, I don't think I realized it was so many. Y'all know that's one of my favorites. Hey, Sharon. All right, these are so gorgeous. And here I'm thinking to myself, did I order 2 of each, or was it this many? I think it's this many. Let me get them out. Hey, Valerie. Oh my gosh. And y'all, I showed y'all this one the other day. I think this is so funny, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but it reminds me of my mama so much. And because it was like back before you had to wear a seatbelt, we would load up the car, and she said, we are packed in here like sardines. I mean, it's funny.
But where's your seatbelt?
We probably had seatbelts, but back then we didn't use them.
Why?
Well, I don't know. Or we may not have even had them. So there's the sardine.
You just don't remember.
And this is so cute. Salty but sweet. Donut worry. Burnout but optimistic. Just roll with it. Here's the one that looks like a watermelon clock. A party without a cake is just a meeting. The other day I read a meme on Facebook that says, you know, you can go buy a cake, a birthday cake, and eat it anytime you want to. I was like, that's so funny. And y'all, this reminds me so much of like those velvet paintings. Do y'all remember those? I remember Mama used to take painting classes, and that's one of them. Oh, and listen, this is perfect for all of the makers out there. This is like something you could put on the back of it. It says genuine, 100% original, and then you can put your name and description. So if you guys sell your finished goods, or you just want to remember the date that you made something, that's pretty awesome. Oh, and this is the free gift. If you place a $75 order, you get a free gift, and it is called the patterned petal, and then you also get the cutouts with it. So you get this free with a $75 order. I love it. And you could really use that anywhere. You could even make magnets with the flower petals. We go together like wine and cheese. This is so stinking cute. And we have a wine bag that you could put this on, or it'd be super cute on a sign, or trying to think of all the places. Y'all help me come up with some places where you could use something like that. And then, y'all know, I love bread, and everybody's into the bread making. Love it, love it, love it. Polka dots. If you know me, you know I love dots, and these are called watercolor design or watercolor pattern. Hey, Karen. Here's another goodie. I'm not old, I'm a classic. Isn't that perfect? And look, I know Barry would probably wear that with pride, be proud to wear that because he's not old, he's a classic. And these are so cute. I got some fun ideas for those. Campfire tales every Saturday night. Free s'mores. So as we're going through these, be sure to pick out which one you want me to do tonight. My favorite workout. And then wine cork removers. I love this. Hide and seek world champion. The guy we are always looking for anytime we go to the Smoky Mountains or anywhere there's mountains. Grilling. These are so funny. I love them. Christina, you work in a bakery? That'd be perfect. And y'all, this is the Treasure Island. And I like that it has script and it has a palm tree. Isn't that awesome? Oh my gosh. And this is the one that's the vintage ruler pattern. So stinking cute. This one they showed on an apron pocket or on apron pockets. That reminds me of my uncle. He was he worked like in construction, but he had one of those rulers that was about this big and it folded out. We are family. 2 sizes. One for littles and one for everybody else. Hey, Valerie. Patty, you like the Bigfoot? I love it. And this one says, may contain alcohol, caution. This would be so cute, like if you got a bar area or on an apron, on a tote bag. Oh my gosh, I love this. Floral Melody. It has like some notes and these beautiful flowers. Isn't that so pretty? Hey, Tammy from Michigan. Thank you guys for hopping on. I just wanted to show y'all all this. And look, I love this. A lot of times, we don't have a lot of stuff for our fishermen or fisherwomen. Catch and release. Fish more, stress less. I love it. And of course, another one of my favorites, Busy Bee. Bumblebee Farm, local honey. Isn't that awesome? You hold that, the bee, so you can see it right there. Hey, Paula. Do something with the polka dots. Oh, and look at this. I love this for the kitchen or for a tote bag. The Kitchen Collection, beef cuts. I never know what to call each piece. I know we do a lot of like ground sirloin, brisket. I love brisket. Here's another one. Meet me where the sky touches the sea. This is so pretty. I love it. And I know a lot of people have beachy decor. They don't live near the beach. And then there's a lot of people that do live near the beach. So it's perfect. And look at this. This is so funny. Silly goose on the loose. Y'all, the goose is so popular right now. That's a rock?
Yeah.
That is wild. Okay. Did I show? Oh, I didn't show these. I love these. So pretty. I like, and when I'm doing like red, white, and blue stuff, I like to add like these seashore type items too. Seas today. Hey, Sean. Hey, Paula.
Hey, Sean. Hey, Paula.
Thank you, Locke. Oh my gosh, here's another. I mean, we've got so much fun stuff. All these cheeses, perfect for your charcuterie board. Christina, I love it all too. Isn't that so cool? And look, these are perfect for the patches. Wilderness patches. There's a deer trophy husband. Wander often, never lost, always exploring. I love it. My grandsons, they like to go duck hunting. Well, they like to do it. They like to fish, hunt, everything.
Shoot deers.
They like to do it all, don't they? And this one, general store, come in. We are open. And this one, it's called the Nautical Knots. That will be a beautiful background. What do y'all think?
I mean, it's
Fresh lemons. Did I already show this one? I might have shown this because I like it so much. Oh, I like all the beach things too. Be a pineapple, stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet on the inside. Here's a coffee and croissant. I wish I had a croissant right now.
It's called a croissant.
Croissant? Oh, thank you, Locke. And then Homestead Blend. This is the super cute one that they have on a jar with coffee. If only sarcasm burned calories, I definitely need that. Y'all, I would be so skinny. And then pickleballing. I know a lot of you guys said you play pickleball or you know people that do. And then this is the stained glass hydrangea. Gorgeous. All of these are perfect for Donna's family. Hey, Jody. Yes, those are for the patches. And I showed the patches a few minutes ago. In case you missed it, I love these. All right, and y'all, this is so pretty. It's a Firefly Fantasy. It's got a firefly, mason jar, beautiful pattern. Isn't that so pretty?
Dance, wiggle out, dance.
Oh, Belinda, that's awesome. So we got something for your guys. And y'all, I love this. Y'all know I love the pattern. Terrific tile patterns. Like with a variety of sizes, so you can use them on all kinds of things. And here's my number one, all love, you know. Well, okay, the lemons, the bees, and the melon patch. And that's so pretty. And these patterns are gorgeous. They are called pottery patterns. Perfect background for anything. And then if y'all, I think y'all may remember we had a 9x9 kit that had this gorgeous fancy florals pattern. Everybody loved it so much. It sold out super quick. But this is beautiful. It's beautiful just done in one color, and then it's beautiful watercolored. So it's back and bigger than ever. Hey Sue from sunny Iowa. Y'all look at this, the hibiscus pattern. Isn't this gorgeous? Here's another one that would be pretty all in one color or several colors. In fact, I think and look, if you place a $75 order, you're going to get a gift with purchase, and it also makes you eligible to add the limited ever after, I had to look see what the name is, ink to your order. And that's it, folks. So if you're just hopping on, I was just getting on here for y'all to help me pick out something to create later. So go back through or type the word May, go over to the site and pick something for me to craft with. I cannot wait to get busy sharing all these. I'm going to hop off and I'll see y'all later. Thank you.